Today on Project Shop, I'm going to show you how to break down these large transformers. I got two of them here. They weigh, if you look at the tag on them, they always tell you the weight. 561 pounds on that one. This one doesn't have the cover on it, so I'm about the same size. I'm assuming they're going to be about the same weight. So let's just say we got about 1,100 pounds of transformers. 90% of the time when I get these, they are aluminum coils, not worth much. I either get them for free or I'll pay like 3 cents a pound for them. Not worth paying anything more than that, especially if you're picking them up. So what you're going to wind up getting out of this is some sheet aluminum, some heavy steel. I get prepared for that. Some clean sheet or copper clips, whatever they want to call that. Clean aluminum. Number 2 copper or number 2 insulated. This is tin coated. I'm going to strip it. You get a little piece of what you can consider number 1 there, and cast aluminum on these coils, and I'll show you the best way that I've found to get these apart relatively quick and easy. Okay, so these are the tools I like to use. My nut driver, and I actually like the one, I break the magnet out of it, and I'll show you why. Because when I take these off, I'm not worried about them getting on the ground. I got a magnet over there to sweep everything up. What I do is, to make everything go as fast as possible, when I back that out like that, I keep my finger on the trigger and I just flick it sideways like that. Flick it sideways like that. And I don't worry about anything but getting to the next screw. That way you can get it done as fast as possible. You're gonna need a pry bar, some wrenches or sockets, wire cutters, bolt cutters, and then grinders. This is, or you can use a Sawzall. And what I found is the Sawzall works pretty good, pretty much just on the outside edges. The rest of the time, you're trying to get in there, and it's just a pain in the butt, I think. What I like to use is actually an aluminum blade. This one actually will cut aluminum, plastic, copper, brass, or fiberglass. When you get the copper and aluminum, man, this stuff cuts like butter. You can also use one of these and some cutoffs, but I like this thing here on a big grinder. Works the best. Or you can actually use a skill saw. I've done that before. But I'm gonna go ahead and set the cam up and show you how to get these apart. Okay, that took about 18 minutes, and we were slinging aluminum everywhere, but it was cutting through it like butter, and that's the most important thing. It's the fastest way, faster than a Sawzall, faster than one of those black aluminum oxide bits. There's just no comparison. And then I think these blades are probably like 35 or 40 bucks, but they're well worth it. But I will say this, you better have your big boy pants on if you're wheeling this grinder and a blade like that, because it is no joke. So we're gonna get this cleaned up, load that up on the trailer, bring that one over here, and get back at it. Okay, there we have it. Took about the same amount of time, 18-20 minutes. Went pretty quick. If you make the cuts in the right spot, it comes out pretty easy. Okay, this is what we got on the aluminum. This was the first transformer. This one actually weighed about 10 pounds more than the one from the second transformer. And okay, so these are the numbers for those two large transformers. Turns out you can make about $40 an hour, and they were worth about $75 a piece, completely broke down. So we had two large transformers at 1,120 pounds. We had 831 pounds of prepared steel at 6 cents a pound, $49.86. The sheet steel was 50 pounds at 4 cents a pound, $2.12. Now that sheet steel I actually kept, and you'll see coming up here in a later video what I've done with it. The cast aluminum, 239 pounds at 37 cents a pound, $88.43. Miscellaneous scrap, that stuff I cut off with the wire cutters, the little bit of number 2, the number 1, and that clean aluminum that was like the bus bars and stuff. I broke it down. It literally took me like less than 10 minutes, and it was worth like $10 in scrap. So we got $150.41 in material. Now the cost to me to do this job, I got the transformer for free. Between blades, fuel, and food, I'm going to say $30. So we're left with $120.41. It took me 1 hour to pick them up, probably less than that because I was in the area. 1 hour to process them, and 1 hour to sell them, let's say. It probably took me less than that. 3 hours, and that comes out to $40.13 per hour. Now, if you had to pay for them, which I don't recommend, maybe pay like 3 cents a pound, you still can make some decent amount of money. You just say you pay 3 cents a pound on that 1120, you're going to pay $33.60. You're still left with $86.81 worth of profit within 3 hours. If you did it, you could still make $28 an hour and 93 cents. If you sold it as is, last quote that I got here in South Florida from a bunch of different places was like 4 cents a pound. So outright, if you sold it outright, you're looking at $44.80, which is like $100 less than if you broke it down. So, you know, I would break them down if I were you. Okay, real quick. I just wanted to let everybody know I started a Facebook page called Project Scrap, mainly for people to post how-to videos or scrapping videos mainly. If you have a YouTube channel where you're scrapping, feel free to post your videos here. This guy here, he's got a great video on stator recycling electric motors. Pretty cool. Give that guy a you know, go check out his channel, and if you have a different way of doing anything, you know, post it up here. You might help someone out, help them make some money, or especially people starting out, you know. I like to show them the easiest way that I found, you know, and then they can go from there. But if you post your videos here, man, that'd be great. Thank you, and thanks for watching the video.